Hello everybody, Ollie TechBoy is here. In this tutorial video, I'm going to show you how to connect any HDMI game console such as a PS3, PS4, PS5 or Xbox 360, Xbox One, Xbox Series X or Xbox Series S to your VGA monitor. As you can see, I got a monitor with a VGA input unit and HDMI to VGA converter. As you can see, sorry for the camera. This is what you need to connect the HDMI game consoles to your VGA monitor. To connect, first thing is locate the HDMI port of your game console. For my case, it's a PS3. Turn to the back of the game console. Locate the HDMI port. Connect the converter. This is the converter I connected to. Then connect your VGA cable to the converter. Make sure you connect the correct orientation. Screw it to the converter if you can. Make sure the connections are secured. Screwing it in, making sure the connection is tight and secure so that it will work correctly. Now I'll put the console back to the position. Turn on your monitor and turn on the game console. I'll turn on the game console. Let the console boot up. Here, the console is booting up. I'll connect my game controller with my PS4 controller. Unfortunately, I don't have the PS3 controller, so I'll be using this to test the system. Connect my game controller via my wire input. See, it is working correctly. Let me play a game. This is a free game I downloaded to test the PS3. Now testing the game. Just signing my PSN network. Now try out a game. Let's play this. Just to show you that it is working correctly. And there you have it. How to connect your HDMI game console such as the PS3, PS4, PS5 or Xbox 360, Xbox Series X or S or Xbox One to your VGA monitor via a HDMI converter. I hope you enjoy my short tutorial video. Please like, share and comment on my video and subscribe to my channel. And see you in the next video.